Hello dear students, good morning. In the previous video, we had seen that Matilda lost her necklace. Her husband went in search of that, but he returned back at 7 o'clock but couldn't find it. So, today we will continue further. He went to the police and to the cab officers and put an advertisement in the newspaper offering a reward. Now, in his hand only limited things were left. He went to police station, filed a report. He went to the cab officers to search in the cab, and in newspaper also he had given one advertisement and was offering reward or prize whosoever is going to return that necklace to them. She waited all day in a state of bewilderment, meaning confusion, before this frightful disaster. Loisel returned in the evening, his face pale. He had discovered nothing. So the entire day, Matilda sat in confusion, and at evening time her husband returned, but his face was also colorless. No result came. He said, "Write to your friend that you have broken the clasp, meaning clutch, of the necklace and that you will have it repaired. That will give us time." Now you can see, dear children, every time Matilda's husband is ready with suggestions are always there with him. He said, write a letter to your friend and told that the clutch of that necklace was broken, so that some time we will have and you will repair it, so that in between the time we will think what to do. She wrote as he dictated. At the end of the week they had lost all hope, and Loisel order by 5 years declared, "We must replace this jewel." They waited 1 week, but till 1 week they did not get any reply from anywhere, and now it was clear they had to return the jewelry after purchasing it. There is no hope left to getting back. In a shop of the Passadoyer, they found a caplet, meaning circlet of diamonds, which seems to them exactly like the one they had lost. So in nearby jewelry shop, they could find the same sort of necklace what was lost. It was valued at 40,000 francs. They could get it for 36,000. But the cost of that diamond necklace was obviously very high. Finally, though initial price was 40,000 francs, but they could get it 36,000 after negotiation. Loisel possessed 18,000 francs which his father had left him. He borrowed the rest. He made reunions, promises, took money from ushers meaning moneylenders, and the whole race of lenders. Now he had 18,000 francs which his father had left for him, but lots of money he had to borrow. He had borrowed from all the moneylenders. Then he went to get the new necklace, depositing on the merchant's counter 36,000 francs. And then he was capable to get new necklace after depositing 36,000 francs. When Madame Loisel took back the jewels to Madame Forrester, the latter said to her in a frigid tone, meaning harsh, cold tone, "You should have returned them to me sooner, for I might have needed them." So now Madame Forrester was complaining to her that you should return it to her well on time. Why it's so late? She wanted it earlier. Madame Forrester did not open the jewel box as Madame Loisel feared she would. But Madame Forrester did not open the jewel box to see. It was returned and she kept it as it is. What would she think if she would perceive the substitution, meaning replacement? What should she say? Would she take her for a robbery? Now Madame Matilda is thinking, if she would get to know that was a replaced one, she would feel very bad. and she would consider her as a robber as well. Madame Loisel now knew the horrible life of necessity. She did her part, however, completely heroically. Now, the real problem, the real poverty, what Matilda was thinking herself at that time had come in her life. She understand what is the necessity, because earlier all her necessities used to be fulfilled, but she was always unhappy. But now she found herself in a very poverty stricken condition, but very heroically she was able to overcome it. It was necessary to pay this frightful debt. Now whatever loan they have taken, they had to pay for it. She would pay it. They sent away the maid, they changed their longings, they rented some rooms in an attic, meaning roof place. Now they had to pay the rent, that they had to pay the loan. So lot many compromises they had to do. The compromises are as follows. The maid was not coming now, and they had to borrow, they had to go to a small place, because the room on the roof also they had given at rent, so that they should shift in small place, and from rent also they could get something. She learned the odious, meaning foul work of a kitchen. Earlier maid was doing everything. Now she had also learned to do the work of a kitchen. She washed the dishes, she washed the soiled linen, their clothes and disclothes which she hung on the line to dry. She took down the refuse, meaning garbage, to the street each morning and brought up the water, stopping at each landing to catch her breath. See, now she was doing each and every domestic work herself. Household work she was doing, she was washing the dishes, she was cleaning the clothes, water also she was fetching from from distance, what she felt breathless. And not only it, she was just doing everything, which earlier she was not doing anything, but everything she was doing now. And clothes like a woman of the people, she went to the grocers, the butchers and fruiters with her basket on her arm. She was throwing the garbage also of her home herself. Now earlier maid was doing all shopping. She considered going to market to purchase domestic thing used to be a less work, small work. But now she was going to butcher shop, fruit seller shop, grocer shop herself with her basket. Shopping, hanging, meaning bargaining to the last so. So is the French coin of her miserable money. Earlier she used to give tips because she wanted to look like rich people. But now she was bargaining on a small penny also, because she had seen the life of necessity now. The husband worked evenings, putting the books on some merchants in order. Now her husband has also done some part-time job. After education office, he used to come and going for his part-time office, and nights he often did copying at 5 sous a pace. So around 5 pages he was copying. As an accountant he has started working, and this life lasted for 10 years. So this hard life they completed 10 years. At the end of 10 years they had restored all. So till 10 years they worked hard so much. Madame Matilda worked hard, her husband worked hard, and ultimately they could get back everything in their life. Madame Loisel seemed old now, because Madame Loisel was not taking care of herself properly now. So she was becoming old. She had become a strong, hard woman, but her nature, her behavior is absolutely changed now. She had become a strong and hard woman now, and crude woman of the poor household. Just any ordinary like